Hey everybody, welcome back to the Woodshop. Today we're going to be building another piece of shop furniture. We've been putting it off and putting it off. We've needed this for a long time.
That's right. We have a Craftsman planer that's about 70 pounds, and every time we want to use it, we've got to lug it over here to the workbench. Today it gets its own home on its very own bench. All right, we've got 4 2x4s that we're working with today, and we need to make 12 cuts. For the stringers that go around the base of this bench, we need 4 pieces that are 19 inches, 4 pieces that are 22 inches, and then for the legs, we need 4 pieces that are 30 inches.
Alright, all the pieces for our frame have now been cut and they are ready to put together, and we're going to do that using 2.5-inch decking screws. Now that we got the frame all put together, the next step is to cut the plywood for the top. And we have this old piece of plywood that's been laying around here in the shop for quite a while, and we finally get to put it to use. The top is going to be 24 by 24. Well, the top is attached and the assembly is almost complete. Only one thing left to do, and that is attach the casters.
All right, it's put together. We got the casters on. One thing left to do, we're going to give the top a little sand, and the new bench for our planer will be complete.
Well, we've needed it for a long time, and we finally got it done. It's a mobile bench for our planer. Took 4 2x4s, a 2x2 piece of plywood, and 4 casters.
That's right. Now the plywood we already had on hand. It was scrap left over from something else. But we did go out and buy some new 2x4s and the casters. It cost us just a little over $30 and just a few hours work. This is going to be a real game changer when it comes to using the planer because it's such a heavy piece of equipment. We're not going to dread planing so much now that we can just roll it around the shop.
One thing I did learn, with these casters, you better pay attention to how big the holes are on them because the screw heads we have were just a little too small and they would go right through those holes. So we had to round up some washers that we had lying around here, but we eventually came up with enough to get the job done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay up to date on all of our content.
Thanks so much for watching today. As always, happy woodworking!